Isn't that pretty? We're gonna make a little stew with all the ingredients that we have from the week that we didn't use. I've been cutting up some green beans. I've got a nice bowl right here. I'm just gonna cut all this stuff up and throw it in a pot. I'll make a nice stew, vegan stew. You can do this with all kinds of stuff. Be careful, these things can be dangerous. Oyster mushrooms. Oyster mushrooms are kind of like steak. They absorb a lot of flavor and they're chewy and have a nice consistency like meat. Gives foods like this a lot of body. We got a little leftover rice from the meal a couple nights ago. Chop them up a little bit if they're whole tomatoes. Nice Spanish onion with the stew. It's always delicious. We're gonna put in some more water. We have so many ingredients in here that another can of water will be nice, and it's all gonna cook in and cook off. Oopsie. Okay, so we're gonna cover it, let it get nice and hot, and then we're going to start tasting it and seeing what other spices or anything else that we want to add to it. There's no rules. Just keep adding things until it tastes good. It's coming along well. I feel like living a little dangerously. Why don't we add some of this? Habanero equals fire. Oh, it's coming along nicely. It's hard to go wrong with a stew. Just play with what's in your fridge. That looks good. Oh, that's good. Fresh. Delicious stew. Vegan stew. Yum.